In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become an affiliate with HubSpot. Becoming an affiliate can be an excellent way to earn some additional income, especially if you love the tools and services offered by HubSpot. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Once you're on the home page, scroll all the way down to the bottom. This is usually where companies place their important links and resources, so don't miss it. As you scroll down, you'll see various options that can connect you to different parts of the HubSpot website. Now that you've scrolled to the bottom, look for the link labeled Affiliate Program. This is your gateway to starting your journey as a HubSpot affiliate. Go ahead and click on that link. It might be nestled among several other links relating to careers, partnerships, or corporate information, so keep an eye out for it. Once you've clicked the affiliate program link, a new page will open, providing you more detailed information about their affiliate program. You'll want to read through this page to understand better the benefits, requirements, and expectations of becoming a HubSpot affiliate. Once you're familiar with that, look for the Become an Affiliate button. Clicking on this will take you a step further in the application process. After you've clicked Become an Affiliate, you should see a new page or a prompt that offers you the opportunity to become part of the program. Here, you'll typically find a Contact Us to Become an Affiliate button. This button is crucial as it initiates the necessary communication with HubSpot about your interest. Go ahead and click on that. Clicking Contact Us will usually open an email prompt directed at HubSpot's affiliate team. This is your chance to express your interest and intention to join the program. Make sure to fill in any necessary details, like your contact information or reasons for wanting to join. After you send off this email, you will need to wait for a reply from HubSpot to move forward with the setup process. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps on the website to become an affiliate with HubSpot. Remember, while waiting, it's always helpful to familiarize yourself further with HubSpot's resources and see how you can creatively integrate them into your content once you're accepted. Thank you for tuning in today and happy partnering.